Zoom icon and this pop-up would appear. Click on sign in to continue. If you do not already have a Zoom account, you can click on sign up free to continue and create a Zoom account, or you can also sign in with other existing IDs like with Google or with Facebook. Let's look at sign ups free. You will be now redirected to this page on the Zoom website, wherein you will be asked to first confirm your date of birth. This is to regulate that only individuals aged 16 and above can use Zoom. So we will confirm our date of birth and click on continue. There it is. Now you can here enter your work email address or also sign in with any Google account. So let me sign in with my existing Google account, as most of us already have it. And there it is. Our new Zoom account has now been created. To actively use this account, you can now switch back to the original Zoom app and enter the password and the account that you have just created on the Zoom website. And click on sign in. There it is. So now you're logged on to the Zoom app. Joining a Zoom meeting using an invite that you have received is a skill that comes very handy. So let's learn how to join a Zoom meeting. Once you open the Zoom app on your desktop, click on join. Enter the meeting ID that has been shared with you via email or messages. And click on join. You will now be asked to enter your meeting passcode. Remember that this passcode would also be shared with you along with meeting ID in the same invite. And click on join. You have now entered the waiting room. This room is enabled by the host of the meeting, and you can only enter the meeting once the host receives your request to enter the meeting and approves it. So yes, so when you see the screen changing and it shows connecting, that means that the host has now accepted your request to join the meeting. To continue, join with computer audio. Do not forget to mute